Welcome to our channel. If you're in the market for a folding e-bike, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be exploring the best folding e-bikes of 2024. Whether you're looking for a compact ride for your daily commute, something easy to store in your apartment, or a portable option for your next adventure, we've got you covered. Stick around as we break down the top models that offer the perfect blend of convenience, performance, and style. Let's dive in. The INVANTI electric bike stands out as our top choice for urban commuting and recreational riding, offering an exceptional blend of performance, comfort, and portability at an affordable price. Powered by a robust 500-watt motor, it reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it ideal for navigating city streets and conquering hills with ease. Its long-range 48-volt battery delivers 25 to 45 miles per charge, ensuring you can cover substantial distances without concern. The foldable design, combined with dual suspension, fat tires, and a 7-speed gear system, provides a smooth, customizable ride that adapts to various terrains. Additionally, the bike's high-carbon steel frame, capable of supporting up to 330 pounds, features a sturdy rear rack that can handle up to 110 pounds, making it practical for carrying essentials. With its impressive features and reliable after-sales support, including a 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer service, the INVANTI electric bike offers unmatched value and convenience, making it our top pick for 2024. Our second choice, the NARRAK electric folding fat tire bike, combines off-road durability with the convenience of a foldable design, making it perfect for a variety of adventures. Whether you're heading out for RV trips, camping, trail riding, or beach outings, this bike is built to handle diverse terrains while remaining compact enough to easily store in your car or truck. It features a robust, shock-absorbing frame that supports up to 280 pounds and offers a smooth ride across all surfaces. Powered by a 48-volt lithium battery and a powerful 750-watt rear-drive motor, it reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour and excels in hill climbing and rough terrain. With 4 riding modes including walk, throttle, pedal assist, and regular bicycle mode, it provides flexibility for any adventure. Safety is prioritized with features like a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, integrated LED lights, hidden cables, and dual disc brakes. NARRAK also offers expert support from their US-based team, ensuring a reliable and satisfying experience. In summary, the NARRAK Fat Tire folding electric bike offers a versatile and dependable option for those looking for a powerful and convenient electric bike. Its blend of off-road capabilities, folding ease, and extended range makes it ideal for a variety of riders and activities. As our third choice, the Mowers electric bike for adults stands out with its 48-volt removable battery, offering a remarkable range of 30 to 65 miles. Certified for safety and stability, this bike ensures peace of mind on every ride. Powered by a robust 750-watt motor with a peak of 1,500 watt, it reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour of torque, making it ideal for tackling rugged terrains. The bike's foldable design provides space-saving convenience and is easy to assemble with a simple 2-step process. Its 20 by 4-inch fat tires and integral wheel allow for a smooth riding experience on any terrain, whether it's snow, beaches, or mountain roads. Mowers also offers local phone service for both pre- and post-sale support, with a specialized team ready to assist. The bike comes with a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable and versatile choice for various riding needs. If you're thinking about purchasing a GL electric bike, it's a good idea to do further research and compare different models to find the one that best fits your needs and budget. At number 4, Ridstar folding electric bike. It has established a strong reputation for its high-quality electric bikes, particularly its folding models, which are known for their blend of convenience, power, and durability. These bikes are perfect for urban commuting, recreational riding, or even camping trips. Ridstar folding electric bikes are designed to fold down into a compact size, making them easy to store, transport, and take on public transportation. They feature powerful motors ranging from 1,000 watt to 2,000 watt, allowing for impressive acceleration and hill climbing capability. Equipped with long-range batteries, these bikes can cover between 30 to 70 miles on a single charge. Many models come with fat tires for excellent traction and stability on various terrains, alongside Shimano drivetrains for smooth shifting. Hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, while the clear LCD display keeps you informed about key metrics. Popular models like the Ridstar Key 20 and A20 series cater to different needs, from urban commutes to rugged terrains. With features such as a peak 1,500-watt motor, removable 48-volt battery, fat tires, full suspension, and dual disc brakes, Ridstar bikes offer a combination of comfort, safety, and performance. Their compact, foldable design and high-quality build make them a versatile choice for various riding scenarios. The Heybike Mars 2.0 stands out as a powerful and versatile folding electric bike ideal for a range of activities from commuting to off-road adventures. Featuring a robust 1,000-watt rear hub motor with a peak power of 1,800 watt and a 600 watt-hour removable battery, it delivers exhilarating performance with speeds up to 32 miles per hour and a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge. Its foldable design, compact when folded to 37 by 22 by 30 inch, makes it easy to transport and store, perfect for city living or taking on trips. Built for durability, the Mars 2.0 includes a sturdy frame, hydraulic disc brakes, and puncture-resistant 20 by 4-inch fat tires that provide excellent traction and stability on various terrains. Additional features include a smart LCD display linked to the Heybike app for mode adjustments and battery monitoring, a full suspension system for a smoother ride, and a rugged rear rack capable of carrying up to 120 pounds. Priced at $1,499, the Heybike Mars 2.0 offers a blend of power, convenience, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for riders seeking a reliable and enjoyable electric bike experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Remember, the best folding e-bike is the one that fits your needs and lifestyle. So do your research, consider your budget, and take a test ride if possible.